this is Tim over at Detail Maniac. This week we are working on a 2018 Porsche 911 GT3. Check the team out as we break down, prepare, and install the film. This is Carlas USA. What are we doing, Dennis?
So today we're using the steamer here to heat up our old film that we're going to remove. It'll make it easier to peel off the car. So that's what we're doing today.
Awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, there's already film on this car. The roof, the hood, kind of the whole front part of the car has already been PPF. We're actually getting rid of it to go with the full vehicle, and we're going with a little bit more of a premium product. So we're going to start ripping off some film. Why does it look like you're cutting the paint?
I'm not cutting the paint. What I'm cutting is the old film to make it a lot easier to remove when we are replacing the film.
All right, so when we use the steamer to take off the film, not all the adhesive came off with the film also. So we got some adhesive stuck on the body still. So we're using general adhesive remover to take out the rest of it.
Okay, you wanna show me how to weed?
Get a corner and just lift off the actual pattern here, and then just make sure that there's no pattern here. And then if you're in the clear, you can just rip it off.
See, that's a problem too. Like as you peel it, this kind of lifts up.
Clean.
So I'm not on a pattern right now, am I?
No, you're not.
Okay, this is quite a good amount of film being used, huh? To take it off. What are we doing right now?
I'm taking this door panel off so I can get the mirror and the handle. When we put the film on, it's all one piece. The normal shops, what they do is they use a cookie cutter and then fit everything around it, and it has seams, and that's what we don't want.
Cool. Awesome. Easy peasy. All right, I just saw Adrian take apart the panel. I think I can do it. Looks pretty easy. He's gonna hand me some tools and I'll get started on it. Come on. There we go. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. I see a screw, 2 screws. Oh, and this guy.
Yeah, so
watch the top. Ah, that corner. I see now. I was pulling too much center here and not at those.
right, yeah, you got this part right. Pretty good.
Oh, I think it's right. Yep. Yep, right. Turn it clockwise. Because it's moving clockwise. Ta-da! I got it off. I got it off all by myself. Yeah. And we're back.
So we're removing the bumper because on these later model Porsches, the only way to get the headlights out is to drop the bumper and get the 2 screws that are underneath.
It's a scary pit. You think Adrian could do the cup handles? That seems like a little bit beyond my skill level. You gotta be a little bit more precise with your cuts and a little more technical with your water and chemicals, the tack, the slip solutions. I don't know. We'll figure it out. On to the next one.
Help with that one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right. There's just a slot. Which Lexus?
GX or whatever.
During this time, the installation got a bit too complicated for me to keep trying my hands on. So the guys just kept attacking the car, slowly but surely started to get more work done. Since I didn't know how to install much, watching the guys is like taking a master class, and I'm learning so much from them. Hopefully I can remember a thing or two, maybe I can install PF by myself one go. Alright, I have Adrian here with me. It looks like the rear bumper was a hard installation. Could you walk me through how you and Man installed the bumper?
This one was a custom installation. Normally we use a pattern, but for this particular car, we didn't like how the pattern worked out for it. Essentially, we had to do a bulk rear bumper installation. As you can see, we had to manipulate the film in areas where the pattern comes up short.
Do you think an amateur like me could install this bumper?
Absolutely not.
I have his personal. I have Man's personal.
I do too.
I haven't done Woo!
What? It's just perfect.
Oh, I know.
Do that.
I don't know.
I was like, what are you talking about?
You don't know that either?
No, no.
I was gonna say.
I was
Aaron
like,
didn't know what that was.
I thought he was like saying something Chinese.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like,
You've been on a cruise?
no, I want to go on a cruise so bad.
Yeah.
People are, like hella complain about cruises and the food sucks and stuff like that. I'm like, dude, food's food.
I didn't think those food was that bad, bro.
Oh, really? When'd you go on a cruise?
Last year.
Okay. Yeah, food not.
2 years ago.
Food wasn't bad, right?
Yeah.
Had you a buffet? Come on.
Buffet. It's not even that bad, bro. Like, I don't know why they were.
Adrian and Man usually end up installing the film for the harder pieces. Pieces that have a lot of contour and slits tend to rip or tear during the installation, and it's always a pain to have to reprint another pattern or bulk another piece. It's insane how efficient these guys work and how they make something complicated look so easy. And we're done. The guys are giving everything a once over. It's all been trimmed up, double checked. We're gonna send it outside and go from there. But check it out. They gave me a shirt. So now I'm officially part of the team here. Check us out, CarlasPPF.com. Buy some film from us. Any questions or ideas, send us an email, type a comment, call Adrian's personal phone number. And we're done.